As we were planning our Japan itinerary, we decided to book one night at a traditional Ryokan to relax after the hustle and bustle of Tokyo. And we landed on Yama No Chaya, a small wooden inn with in-room onsen baths located in Hakone.
We arrived via train with some time to spare before check-in, so we explored the town and ate a small lunch. Upon arrival, we were immediately whisked away to our room to complete check-in. Our room attendant welcomed us with matcha, mochi, a warm towel, and cold water.
This suite is called Yama No Ashita. Just off the main room is a small indoor terrace, which opens up to an outdoor deck with lovely forest views and the back of our private onsen. Back inside is a short hallway with a beverage station, mini fridge, and a separate water closet, including special slippers. There is a sink area with lovely amenities, and then the best part, our very own in-room onsen, fed by the Tanasawa no Yu spring 300 meters below the premises. The tub was large and deep enough to comfortably fit us both, and having the windows open up to the outside rain was incredibly relaxing.
After we got settled in, we changed into our provided yukatas and headed to the bar for happy hour. This communal area was lovely to sit and enjoy some drinks before heading back to our room for the kaiseki dinner. Dinner was insane in the best possible way. The plates just kept coming, and there was a huge variety of food. Fish and beef and veggies and tofu and rice and soups and pickled things and crunchy stuff and a hot pot and noodles and tea. You get the idea. Needless to say, we were absolutely stuffed after this meal. But don't worry, we saved room for dessert.
After dinner, it was time to head over to our booking for a private couples onsen experience at one of the larger open-air baths. You can reserve a 45-minute slot upon arrival at the Ryokan. Inside is a small changing area with all sorts of soaps and lotions, as well as baskets and lockers to place your belongings in. A large washing station is built into the rocks to rinse off before entering the onsen.
The cold air, the hot spring, the light rain, and the waterfall splashing in the corner made for an incredibly enjoyable experience. Our 45 minutes were over way too soon, and when we headed back to our suite, our room had been made up for bedtime. Good night!
The next morning, yet another amazing spread was carefully laid out by our room attendant. For some reason, we weren't really expecting multiple courses for breakfast, but once again, the food just kept coming.
We really appreciated that they took care to explain everything, so not only did we know what we were eating, but also how to eat it properly.
And just like that, it was time to check out and catch the Shinkansen to Kyoto.